again, my name is Greg Frisbee. The Rubber Chicken Show is the comedy juggling variety show, now with 50% more rubber chickens. Now, and here's the deal, you guys. We're going to start the show out with people warming up tricks, moving on to more complex juggling. I'll introduce you to some rubber chickens. We're going to end the show by firing rubber chickens from an air cannon. Before we start the show, quick reminder, folks, it is a live show. I'm a real person up here. I am dependent on you, your energy, and your feedback. The more energy and feedback you all give me, the bigger and the better we make the show. Only black clap, screams out, jump up and down, throw little kids in the air, whatever it takes. I want you to have fun. Here we go. Goofy warming up tricks. Kicking off the show.